Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you on how to make this very delicious ozoza soup. Guys, if you've never had this soup, you have been missing. I once shared this recipe on my Instagram page. You need to see the feedback that was coming back. So today I'm going to share with you on how to make this finger-licking ozoza soup. Meanwhile, if you're hearing this voice for the first time, I make recipes you will find very interesting. So just do well and hit the subscribe button. Let's get right in. So we'll be using goat meat for this recipe. We'll be using stockfish head. This gives that flavor for your soup. We'll be using some stockfish fillet. We'll be using stock cubes. So we'll be adding everything inside the pot. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. I roughly blended this. So this is salt, and I'll be adding a little bit of this crayfish to help season this and give our stock a very good taste. So I'll be adding some red onion to this. So what I'm going to do now is going to stir up this together. Just mix everything together first. So guys, proceed to add water that will be able to cook all this stock very well. 20 minutes later, this is what we have. The aroma coming from this is so good already. So the stockfish is already soft, so I'm just breaking it up in the pot. Guys, you need all this patience for this soup because this is a banger. The next thing we'll be adding is snails. I've already cleaned and washed the snails, so we'll pour this into the pot. Add some cleaned Kpomo. So I just noticed that the water is not enough to cook the soup all the way through, so we'll be adding extra water to this. So after that, I'll be going in with dried oda and ozoza. You need this to further highlight the aroma of this food. So I've added in our all-purpose seasoning. I will drop the link to this all-purpose seasoning. So here is the seasoning cube I'm using. Now go in with the palm oil. So guys, I'll cover this pot and allow this to boil. If you are not getting the aroma by this time, just know that you are definitely getting it wrong because this is so good. So I'll go in with the dried catfish. I washed and deboned the catfish. I will stir this up. Now it is time to add our thickener, and I'm using Achi for this. You can use for, but I prefer Achi as a thickener for this. So add in your thickener and the remaining crayfish we added from the beginning of the video. So I'm just going to stir this up so that we don't have lumps. Another way you can add your achi to your soup is just for you to dissolve it with your palm oil. So that's another way, or you can blend your thickener with crayfish. That way you won't have problem having lumps in your soups. So after stirring this, I will cover it up for the thickener to act. So this is what we have. The thickener has thickened the soup, and you see this goodness, guys. So now this is the chief in charge for this soup. This is the uziza leaves. This is what it looks like. If you can't find fresh uziza, you can just use dried ones and soak it for some hours. So I've already washed and shredded the uziza. You can see I was very generous with my uziza. So I've added this all to this soup. I will stir it up and just take a look at this, guys. Just take a look at this. The aroma from this soup alone, let me not even talk more on that. So I'm just going to stir this all together. Just allow the ozoza aroma come out and we'll off our heat, and that is it. This soup is so good. Just try this out. Make it on that special event. Make it for that special somebody, I know you are definitely going to come back to thank me for this. I have lots of feedbacks for this soup alone, so just try it out. I know you are going to like this. So if you cannot find fresh uziza wherever you are, you can use the dried one. Just soak it for some hours before adding it to the soup. It works so well too. So I'll be serving this with some fresh fufu, and this soup is so good. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point, and if you've yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so and join this wonderful community. Don't forget to share my recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye.